Many people think that conferences are a waste of time, and many companies think that people only go to the conferences just to have fun and to collect the swag. But if there is one conference in the calendar year which I would highly recommend to attend, whether in person or virtually, it is AWS reInvent. And especially if you are into the cloud area, or if you're looking to learn how to use new buzzwords like data, AI, and machine learning on the cloud, I believe you should be attending at least virtually this reInvent. This year, reInvent is starting from today, November 27th, until December 1st, and it is happening in Las Vegas, Nevada. reInvent is also the name of the building, by the way, which is a 37-story high-rise office building on the Amazon headquarters campus in Seattle, Washington. It opened in 2019 and houses 5,000 employees. And similarly, the reInvent conference, which is happening in Las Vegas, is also houses thousands of people. It's quite huge. And not only it is huge in terms of the number of people, it is also huge in terms of sessions and the nuggets you can pick up from various sessions across the fleet. Now, normally whenever I attend conferences, and I have done my fair share of conferences over the years, I would normally skip the keynote sessions because they are mostly marketing or sales pitches. But many keynote speakers and many keynote talks in this reInvent are not a waste. Especially this year, I'm really looking forward to uh, all the keynote speakers, such as I will show you this one, Adam Selipsky, who is the CEO of Amazon Web Services. And this CEO is not just a CEO, he knows his technology, and whenever he speaks, it stays spoken. So I would highly suggest at least watching the live or maybe recording of his session. Always a fun to watch, and you always learn something new. Now, if you scroll down, Dr. Swami is always a delight to watch. He appears to be a really down to earth person who always loves to share, and I love watching his talks. And normally I don't repeat talks, but his talks I watch again and again, and I would highly suggest you watch his previous talks from previous years, and you would learn something new. And then you would understand what I'm trying to say here. A really good speaker, and I'm really looking forward listening or watching to his keynote this year, as I'm sure that he is going to really delve deep into this AI and machine learning, and conferences and talks like these, which sets the course of where exactly we are heading in terms of technology. Okay, enough praise of Dr. Swami. And then if you scroll down, Dr. Werner Vogels, I think should be good too. So have a look at it, and then this is where the fun starts happening when we have innovation talks. If you go to that page, these innovation talks are by lots of good speakers. For example, Dr. Brattain is always good to watch. You can watch his talk on machine learning as how you can innovate faster with generative AI. And then architecture one should be good too by Francesca. And then you can see that there is something cloud operations. I was hoping that this would have more meat in it, but this seems too high level. But anyway, we can quickly skim through it. And then there are a lot of other good talks. For example, this one I'm looking forward to see what exactly is happening here in terms of data for generative AI. And then on the left hand side, David Brown is always a delight to watch again as he speaks really well and he goes into much more detail in a very simple way. So a must watch, I would say, if you are into serverless compute. And then the list goes on and on. And this is, I haven't even scratched the tip of the iceberg. I would highly suggest that you register. And by the way, you can still register for free and you can watch it virtually from anywhere in the world. And if that is not the case, then you would have to wait a bit until these sessions appear online on the YouTube, which takes a few days, but then they start pouring in one by one. It doesn't happen in a blast, so you might have to wait for a bit. So as you can see, I'm quite excited about this conference. As I believe this is going to be a blast again this year, especially when everyone is concerned, excited about generative AI, where it is heading, What is the future of cloud operations, cloud engineering, cloud architecture? What should a cloud engineer learn in terms of AI to stay relevant? All of these answers, I think you should get some directions from conference like this. That's it, guys. If please share your thoughts in the comments, and if you already have bookmarked any sessions and you think that we should also watch them because there are thousands of them, we might have missed any. So please share them in the comments. That would be great. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.